Hey guys, so this will be a 10 to 15 minute short tutorial in which I will show you how can you self-host n8n and for completely free with just one click, and can access it in the entire world with any internet. There are no restrictions, and this is like the cheapest, not the cheapest, this is like a free method. Okay, so the main tool that we are using is clock run clock cloud. Okay, so from the name you can easily guess that this is like a cloud website in which we can like build and deploy our apps. Okay, so but deploying apps in here cost money, but the n8n that we are gonna deploy today will be completely free. There will be no charges on it. Okay, so when the link for the website will be in the description. Okay, so just come here, you should see this dashboard. Okay, then as you can see, this gives us $5 every month by the GitHub verification. Okay, so when you click the get started, do like sign in with GitHub. Okay, and if you don't have GitHub, you must have like GitHub of about 3 months old. So ask your dad for his GitHub account. Okay, it should be old. Okay, like 90 days to 100 days. Okay, or if your dad even don't even have, ask for a friend of or any member in the family. Okay, then you will be located into re-linked into this dashboard, in which choose a region. Okay, so wherever you live, just choose the from the selected regions, the choose the closest to your country. Okay, because this is like the directly proportional to the speed that you will get if your like country will be close to like the server over here, you will get more speed. Okay, and it will like act more fast. Okay, and just enter a name, just click edit and just start deploying. Okay, then you will head to this page. Okay, so the first thing you will do is go to here, and you must see the free thing. Okay, I am also doing it on free. Okay, then do the account setting, and in the account setting here, it is loading. Here in the connected accounts, there must be a GitHub, and you should like connect GitHub. Okay, so I have already connected GitHub, but it is not showing here. I don't know, there is some kind of bug. Okay, and the must thing that you have to see is this. Okay, oh no, yeah, this in the upgrade plan you must have $5. Okay, in gifts. Okay, because if you like verify the GitHub, it gives us $5 that we will be using to run n8n in this. Okay, so I'm gonna show it live what is the process. Okay, so you don't have to worry. If like it is not showing, just wait 10 to 15 minutes, because it's like kind of slow, although my internet is pretty fast. I don't know, or like just refresh 1 or 2 times. Okay, just wait. Okay, there will be $5 if you like created the account correctly with GitHub, and it is about 1 or 2 month old. Okay, so when you are like in this dashboard and you have $5 in the credits. Okay, then click the app store. So in the app store you will see, so in the app store, as you can see, you will see in the second number, which is n8n. Okay, it is also compatible in our free plan. Okay, and 34,000 people are currently running this n8n service on the cloud version. Okay, and if you have any trust issues like will my data will be stored or any kind of thing, it so this cloud, although this is a Chinese website, but they are like cloning the GitHub repository of like the original n8n code. Okay, as you can see. Okay, this is the original n8n code. Okay, so just read and everything. Okay, it's like the original n8n. Okay, so the main thing, okay, the main thing of today's video, it like costs 0.14 dollar per day, in which 0.07 for the CPU, 0.07 for the memory, okay, with which cost in about 0.14. And if I calculated it right, then 0.14 multiplied by how much months, how much days in month, 31. So it costs maximum three half $4.50 for like a whole month of running n8n, okay. So this is the whole reason why like I made this video, and in the like thumbnail you could see like it's for free, okay. So now you guys also know why it is free, although the credits we are getting in free are $5 are using to like self-host, and so there is no money from your wallet, okay. So now just click deploy, okay, deploy app, and now just confirm, okay. So now it will do all the backend step, and there will be a deployment successful message, okay. And now it is waiting, and you can access this n8n from anywhere, from any internet, from the entire world, okay. So you don't have to worry about losing your data credentials, okay. I was also using Docker to like self-host n8n, and then by making a Cloudflare tunnel, then automating that to like uh, make the credential, to make the webhook work, okay. That was like so much complicated. I have to like add so many things in the Docker and Docker desktop, and also to do all the complicated step in the Cloudflare tunnel, okay. That was like such a complicated work to do, okay. So in the launchpad it is currently waiting, okay. So if we go to details, it will like took about, yeah. So our deployment is currently waiting. Now it is creating, okay. It like most probably took like 10 to 15 minutes, okay. So I will be back when it will be done, okay. Okay guys, so it just went running, and it like took about 10 to 15 minutes, as like I was talking about, okay. So now it's time to test it, okay. So now this will be your interface, okay. Here it's saying running, and in the port list status active, and it, yes, it take about 11 minutes, okay, exactly 11 minutes, okay. Now there are two addresses, okay. I will blur it, but as you can see, there is one private address which is local, as you can see 567, and there is one public address. So we need the public one, okay. So if you like test it, I will not test, I have tested it, okay. But you can also test it, okay. Just copy this public address and just send it to your phone, and just turn on the mobile data, um, not the Wi-Fi of the like house, okay. And then just test it over here, and test it over there. If it like coming up, yes, it is good, and it will come up, okay, because I have tested, okay. Now just let's test our public URL, okay. It is loading currently. Oh my god, here it is. It just took about 15 minutes to like set it up, okay. Only 15 minutes, and this has never been this easy, okay. So now you don't have any excuse, okay. Get up and build 4 to 5 automations, and just sell it to clients and just earn money, okay. So let's make an account, okay. Now let's create an account and just test everything. Okay, now let's skip it. Okay, so here is our n8n instance, full running, everything is working. Okay, now let's check what is the version of this n8n. Okay, because the version is very important. uh, Settings, I think in settings. Oh, where the fuck can we check the n8n instance, man? Go here. Ah, I am just checking for the n8n version to like see is it even like the latest version. Okay, yeah, here it is. So the version it is showing is 1.66 1.016. Okay, critical update available. So there is an update available, so you can update the n8n version. Okay, it is like 3 months ago. But let's create a workflow, and I will also import one workflow. So there is some higher version that I will update in this video. Okay, so you don't have to miss that. Okay, let's create a simple trigger. Okay, telegram trigger. Okay, let's check a telegram trigger if it is working. Okay, so here I am just gonna click telegram. Now action, where are the trigger? Oh yeah, on message. Okay, now I am gonna make a telegram credential in front of you. Okay, so let me get a telegram. Yeah, here it is. Just copy this, just paste it right here. Okay, so if it comes green, then it mean no, not it come green. Okay, yeah, the connection was successful. So you can see like how fast was it. Okay, I just save it and it comes green. Okay, so now let's test whether it is really showing. Okay, try 1 2 3. Yeah, here it is. So I'm going to execute this workflow and it will listen for a test event. Let me say hi. Yeah, so our workflow has been executed live in front of you. Okay, now let's try telegram, send a message. Okay, let's send a message, send a text, edit a text message. Oh no, operation, where is send unpin? Oh no, what the hell, send a message. Okay, chat id, where will be chat id, yeah, here it is, chat id, and the text will be hi, great to see you. Okay, now let's do this again. Okay, I'm gonna execute this workflow. I'm gonna say hi. Okay, so look at this, the workflow is working, n8n is working. Okay, now let's update this. Okay, as this version is older. Okay, now we have to update this. So where can we update this? Yeah, I know where can we update this. Okay, so in here, why is it not running? Yes, it is running. Then go to operation, and here as you can see there is a button, option called update. Okay, so just click this button. Okay, now it will start updating that. Okay, then just click update, and it will restart this application, and our n8n will be updated. Okay, so I'm just clicking yes, and will meet you when it will be updated. Okay, okay guys, so it just finished up updating. Okay, and now it is fully updated. Okay, as you can see in like I am in the settings and the version is coming out 1.117.2. this is the latest version of the n8n available. Okay, so this was it for today's video. In this video you must have learned a very valuable information, and all the resources, all the websites that I like used here will be given in description, although I have just told everything. Okay, but the link of the website cloud run will be given in the description. Okay, this was it for today's video. Goodbye.